BYD Seal crash test results. How safe is it? The new car assessment program for Southeast Asia, or ASEAN NCAP, has just released the crash test results for the BYD Seal, the flagship electric sedan from BYD. And the results are impressive. According to ASEAN NCAP, the BYD Seal earned a 5-star safety rating with an overall score of 92.07 points. The electric sedan performed well in all areas of passenger protection and safety technology. The BYD Seal scored 38.44 points for adult occupant protection, 16.60 points for child occupant protection, 19.52 points for safety assist, and 17.50 points for motorcyclist safety. BYD's latest model comes with many advanced safety features that are standard across all variants sold in Southeast Asia. These include 9 airbags, electronic stability control, anti-lock braking system, autonomous emergency braking for city and highway, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, blind spot detection, auto high beam, pedestrian protection, ISOFIX for child seats, and AEB for motorcycles. The car also has a seatbelt reminder system for both front and rear passengers, along with rear occupant detection, a feature that helps prevent accidents involving children or pets left in the car. In a statement, ASEAN NCAP praised BYD's commitment to road safety, saying that the company's inclusion of many safety features in all variants shows strong dedication to protecting all road users. ASEAN NCAP also said they hope BYD will continue to improve vehicle safety standards across the ASEAN region. They congratulated BYD Seal for achieving this important milestone. With its high safety rating and modern technology, the BYD Seal sets a new standard for electric sedans in Southeast Asia.